Hello, are you ready for another volcano to erupt? Because one's on the way, and one will erupt sometime in the next few hours or days, maybe even a week. It's been vibrating constantly for over 2 days now, and it will continue to vibrate till it erupts. But there is a volcano on the way. Somewhere in the world will erupt. I'm pretty sure this one will probably be an underwater one somewhere. Maybe. Who knows? But I know one's going to erupt sometime soon. And it's going to be a big one. A doozy. If it isn't an underwater one, it's going to have a massive tsunami. Just saying.